Lot of things are talked about on the freedom of personal data protection. Rightly, Honorable Minister has levied the bill in the Parliament, and fortunately it has been approved without much of the discussion because they were busy to discuss Rahul Gandhi and Manipur rather than discussing on the point. Bill has been passed, it will wait for the assent of the President. The important part is Digital Personal Data Protection Bill, which is very landmark bill which will provide security for data protection of a personal data protection to the individuals, and more so if you grant the consent it can be available to anyone, it can be transferred to other data also. Now what is that data which is important is any personal data, it may be your whatever you might have given in the digital mode, offline or online, it cannot be given without your consent. And one has to be very clear, if you don't give the consent, earlier deemed consent provision was there, that is not been there. So either you have to specifically deny that or you have to respond. Otherwise, it will be your data is at the risk. That data can be transferred, shared with the specific permissions. In India, it can be shared. For investigation officers, it can be shared. But if it has to be shared to any other countries, it will be notified which countries it can be shared, which countries it cannot be shared. And this is for the ease of doing business, promoting India for Make in India, and providing opportunity to each one to get the information provided you are allowing it. This protection bill, DPDP bill, going to be making a long-term impact on the persons who are aware and active. But those who are not active, they can be consider that they have given the consent, though it is not consent of the deemed concept, but be aware of what data you are going to provide digitally, offline mode or online mode. You have to provide your disclaimer whether you want to make it to others available or not. This bill has to be appreciated without any of the oppositions, but there will be always opposition, but already bill has been passed waiting for the president's assent. Thank you.